Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, update OBS and GPU drivers, then run OBS as administrator so Capture gets proper permissions. Next, close overlays and any duplicate Capture apps. They often steal frames. Now open OBS and add a fresh source. Choose Game Capture for full-screen games, Window Capture for borderless, or Display Capture if others fail. Once done, set the source to capture specific window or application, and lock the source to prevent accidental changes. Continue by configuring OBS source properties. Set Game Capture to capture specific window, and select the exact game process. This reduces conflicts. If you're on a laptop, make sure OBS uses the integrated GPU while the game uses the discrete GPU. Otherwise, Capture returns a black screen. Disable full-screen optimizations on the game executable and test borderless windowed mode. Some anti-cheat or exclusive full-screen modes block Capture. Finally, toggle force scaling or color format options if colors or size look wrong. Finish by locking down output settings. Confirm resolution, FPS, and encoder match your system capability, then start recording or streaming to test. If Game Capture still shows black, replace it with Display Capture or Window Capture as a fallback, and restart both OBS and the game. Make sure overlays like Discord or GPU software are disabled because they often interfere. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, run the game in borderless windowed and disable exclusive full screen or any anti-cheat. That resolves most stubborn black screens.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.